Today we are in Albemarle Road to see this fantastic 2-bedroom Victorian mid-terrace property, a stone's throw from all of the amenities of Taunton town centre. There's loads of original features throughout, including wood flooring everywhere. It's absolutely gorgeous. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you so much for allowing me to show you around this beautiful property today. If you would like to book your viewing or would like me to come and value your home, that would be fantastic. Please do get in touch and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.